Hi, it's Sandy Parker and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Today I'm going to show you a very small haul from a company called everydaycrafts.com. I hope you'll stay tuned. This company sent me some dies and these diamond art pieces, and the dies I struggled with. I like to be honest, so I am not showing those, but these Nightmare Before Christmas, I think that's the name of the movie, inspired keychains were a lot of fun. They're very easy to do if you're new to diamond painting or you have kids that you'd like to get into diamond painting. These are a perfect way to do it because you could just do one side of it and use it for magnet for on your refrigerator, or you can do them as they're intended to be keychains, or you could maybe put them on gifts like a tag, or you could maybe put them in a card. So these are all done. It maybe took me, 45 minutes to an hour for each one. That's probably more than it took, maybe half an hour for each one. So they're easy and something you might want to consider. I'll put the information below the video. I hope you enjoyed this, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.